Last year, a perfectly maintained car suddenly broke down on the highway. The engine didn't seize, the transmission didn't explode, and nothing visibly broke. Yet the repair bill exceeded $4,000. What shocked the owner the most was that the failure was not caused by a mechanical defect, but by a fluid they had never even checked. This is the hidden reality of modern vehicles. Catastrophic failures rarely come from parts suddenly breaking. They come from fluids silently degrading over time. In fact, industry data suggests that more than 60% of major component failures are directly linked to neglected or degraded fluids. Today, we are uncovering those critical fluids, not just explaining them, but showing you exactly how they fail, why they fail, and how they quietly destroy your car from the inside out. Let's get started. Number 9. Transmission fluid. Transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate. It controls pressure, reduces heat, and allows smooth gear engagement under extreme stress. Inside an automatic transmission, temperatures can exceed 90 to 120 degrees Celsius. And without proper fluid, internal clutches literally burn out. Studies in the US show that over 40% of transmission failures are directly linked to degraded or low fluid, and shockingly, most occur before 120,000 miles. As fluid ages, it loses viscosity and friction modifiers, causing slipping, delayed shifts, and internal scoring of metal parts. Many manufacturers claim lifetime fluid, but real-world data proves fluid breakdown begins much earlier, especially in hot climates or stop-and-go traffic. A simple fluid service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles can extend transmission life by up to 2 to 3 times. Ignore it, and you are gambling with one of the most expensive components in your vehicle. Number 8. Differential and transfer case fluid. Your differential handles immense torque every time you accelerate and distributes power to the wheels while enduring constant metal-on-metal load. Without proper lubrication, these gears begin to develop microscopic pitting, which eventually turns into loud whining noises and complete gear failure. Research shows that gear oil breakdown increases wear rates by up to 300%, especially in AWD and 4x4 vehicles. Once the fluid degrades, heat builds up rapidly, breaking down protective additives and exposing gears to direct friction. Many drivers never change this fluid for over 100,000 miles, which is exactly why differential failures spike after that range. Replacing a differential can cost thousands, yet the fluid service costs a fraction of that. This is one of the most out-of-sight, out-of-mind fluids, but also one of the most critical for long-term drivetrain survival. Number 7. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is one of the most dangerous fluids to ignore because its failure directly impacts safety. Unlike other fluids, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air over time, increasing water content inside the system. Just 3 to 4% water contamination can reduce the boiling point of the fluid by nearly 50%, which may lead to brake fade during hard braking. Studies have shown that a large percentage of older vehicles on the road have dangerously degraded brake fluid without the driver even knowing it. Moisture also corrodes internal components like brake lines, calipers, and ABS modules, leading to costly repairs. Ignoring brake fluid is not just a maintenance mistake, it's a serious safety risk that can lead to catastrophic consequences in emergency situations. Number 6. Coolant. Modern engines are designed to run hotter for efficiency, which means cooling systems are under more stress than ever before. Coolant doesn't just regulate temperature, it prevents corrosion, lubricates the water pump, and stabilizes internal engine temperatures. Research indicates that neglected coolant is a major contributor to over 60% of head gasket failures. That is one of the most expensive engine repairs. Even worse, corrosion can clog radiators and heater cores, and in result, restricts flow and cause localized overheating. A single overheating event can warp the cylinder head, permanently damaging the engine. In hot climates, coolant degradation happens even faster, making regular replacement critical. Flushing and replacing coolant every few years can dramatically extend engine life and prevent catastrophic overheating failures that could otherwise destroy your engine completely. Number 5. Power steering fluid. Most drivers only think about power steering when it becomes hard to turn, but by then, the damage is already done. Power steering fluid operates under high pressure, constantly circulating through pumps, valves, and seals. As it ages, it becomes contaminated with metal particles and loses its lubricating ability. Data suggests that over 25% of premature power steering failures are caused by dirty or degraded fluid. The early warning signs of power steering fluid failure, ignoring them can result in sudden steering loss, especially at low speeds or during parking maneuvers. Flushing the fluid restores smooth operation and protects expensive components. Considering the cost of replacing a steering rack or pump, maintaining this fluid is one of the easiest ways to avoid unexpected repair bills. Number 4. Clutch fluid. Manual drivers often assume their system is simpler, but the clutch hydraulic system is just as sensitive as brakes. The fluid used here is usually shared with the brake system, meaning it also absorbs moisture over time. As contamination increases, internal corrosion begins affecting the master and slave cylinders. Studies show that hydraulic failures are one of the leading causes of sudden clutch loss in manual vehicles. Heat from repeated clutch use accelerates fluid breakdown, especially in traffic or aggressive driving conditions. Replacing this fluid regularly ensures consistent clutch engagement and prevents internal seal damage. It's a small maintenance step that protects against a failure that can completely disable your vehicle. Number 3. Windshield washer fluid. A driver was cruising on a highway when suddenly a truck ahead splashed muddy water across the windshield, completely blocking visibility. Instinctively, the driver pulled the washer lever, only to realize nothing came out. While windshield washer fluid may seem insignificant compared to engine-related fluids, it plays a direct role in driver safety. It is specifically formulated to remove dirt, oil, bugs, and road grime without leaving streaks that can distort vision. Many drivers either ignore refilling it or use plain water, which lacks cleaning agents and can leave residue behind. In colder environments, improper fluid can even freeze, blocking the system entirely. Maintaining proper washer fluid ensures clear vision in critical moments, making it one of the simplest yet most overlooked safety essentials in any vehicle. Number 2. Battery electrolyte fluid. In conventional lead-acid batteries, the electrolyte fluid is the chemical backbone that enables energy storage and discharge. This fluid is a mixture of sulfuric acid and water. Over time, especially in hot climates, the water component can evaporate, causing the electrolyte level to drop and exposing internal plates. This leads to sulfation, reduced capacity, and eventually complete battery failure. Many modern drivers assume batteries are maintenance-free, but in serviceable batteries, checking and maintaining electrolyte levels can dramatically extend battery life. Regular inspection and topping up with distilled water when necessary can prevent premature battery replacement and ensure consistent performance. Number 1. Air conditioning refrigerant. Air conditioning refrigerant is often overlooked because it operates in a sealed system, but even minor leaks or gradual loss over time can significantly impact performance. This refrigerant is responsible for absorbing heat from the cabin and releasing it outside, making it essential for both comfort and system efficiency. When refrigerant levels drop, the compressor is forced to work harder, increasing wear and the risk of failure. Additionally, low refrigerant can cause poor lubrication within the AC system as the oil circulates with the refrigerant itself. This leads to internal damage that may not be immediately noticeable. Regular system checks and timely recharging ensure optimal cooling performance and prevent costly component failures. Your car doesn't fail overnight. It fails slowly, silently, and predictably through neglected fluids. The difference between a car that lasts decades and one that dies early often comes down to something as simple as fluid maintenance. So next time you think about servicing your car, don't just focus on engine oil, check everything. See you in the next video.